I just bought a cheap, low mileage Mark V Fiesta from Facebook Marketplace. I mean, when I say low mileage, only has 36,000 miles since new, and also have a full Ford service history, which is super rare. In the first glance, it looks really shiny. The reason for it, because it's in really good nick. But as it's always a catch when you're buying a car from Facebook Marketplace. And believe it or not, but this car, it's an MOT failure. That's why they sold it. MOT failure, but only a little bit of work need to do to the car. And I'm gonna fix up the car, and for once, this car gonna get raffled off, because I've been asked so many times to sell some of them the cars I have, you know, that comes onto the channel, and I thought it would be a good idea if I get everybody involved and do this car up, get a fresh MOT on it, fully service it, new tires, new belts, but we're gonna go through in a minute. So let me know if you're interested. If we raffle this car off, would you be interested to buying a ticket for it? Please let me know in the comments. So shall we just start with the good bits? So this car has fog lights, looks like brand new, not been used often, not been pitted or anything. The only thing is a little bit faded is the Ford emblem on the front, but the car shines really well. The tires, it's I think it's just a mix and match. This is like a non-con tire in the right hand front. I go back so you can see the car. There are tiny little scratches where they open up the door, but I think that's nothing. On the back, it's a little bit of marking in there, but I think this could be polishing off. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think it's too bad. Just recently the car been parked under the tree, only for a week or so, but so far it's not looking bad, is it? So the bumper's little faded, the plastic part. There is a little bit of scratches in there, nothing major, but looks really tidy. I mean, if you can see the exhaust, the tip of the exhaust is like literally new. So just a bit of history with the car. It's been parked in a garage for most of his life. The owner who had it, I just been told, the owner who had it since 3 years old, and they barely even used it. It used to be a localish car to Tewkesbury, but yeah, I mean, it looks really well. So this side of it, the car looks really good. The only bad thing is, it's one of these silly little car part dents. But you only can see it, I'm not sure if you can see it, it's in here. That's really annoying. But when we look at the bad stuff, the tires is so perished because it's so old. So the outside of the car looks pretty decent, but let's have a look inside, because inside looks really nice as well. I still got all the bits left by the previous owner. So there has been ice remover, a set of gloves, and also a tux disc from back from 09. This was some time ago. There are in the door cards ice scratcher as well. Not like in the UK got that much ice, but looks pretty clean inside, if you know what I mean. It's no damage, no breakage on the dashboard. I mean, if you look at the stereo and all the heater control module, is not even a single scratch on it. Somebody looked after this car very well. I mean, if you look at the seats, are they in good condition? They are perfect. Look at that. So nice. It's not even a, you know, like you got a bit of crease on the driver's seat in there and there. Nothing. I want you to have a guess how much I paid for this car. I'm not going to tell you in this episode, I'm going to tell you in the next episode. But this car coming to the Build It channel, where we're going to fix this car up. I'd love you to make a comment and drop me down what you reckon I paid for this car. I'll reveal it in the next episode. Look at how clean the door cards are. The door cards, the doorways, look at that. It's in lovely nick. Look at that lovely parcel shaft. It's not been chopped for speakers. And if we go underneath there, look at the state of that. It's like literally brand new. You see? Really good nick. I think this is the car is deserved to be saved and not buy by somebody and gonna chop it up. I want to keep it original as possible because this car never been messed with. Look at how much dirt is in there. It's just everywhere. It's just dirt, 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 dirt. Look at that. I think it's gonna clean up lovely. Let me introduce this video's sponsor, X-Tool. X-Tool provide me this lovely little OBD device, the A30M. Let's plug it in and see what this machine can do. You just simply have to plug it into the OBD port. So I'm just gonna run the scan of Romo, automatic scan, and scanning everything, all the modules, with few fault codes. Obviously the anti-lock brake, we have to disconnect it to run the car on the dyno, as you see in the beginning of the filming. And everything else, as you can see, body control faulty, electric power steering faulty, instrumental panel cluster faulty, anti-lock brake faulty, live data. You see, that's really good. You can read battery voltage, external temperature, engine coolant temperature. It's really detailed, you know, and you don't have to pay for this every month for this software, because it's free forever. Which is, compared to any other company, it's really cheap. I'm just gonna go now to clear all stored codes. We're cleaning up all the corrupted data and exit auto scan. If you want to get some really nice discount, use the code in the screen. Thank you, X-Tool, to sponsoring my video. So I just want to show you the mileage in this vehicle. 36,382. But we have a head unit and we need a code to press in, and I'm pretty sure we got the code with this little booklet I have right next to me. And there you go. There is the code for the stereo. Might as well put it in there. I might have to turn the music off just in case. Well, it looks like the buttons doesn't work on a stereo, which is a bit of a pain in the backside. I thought it's just going to be a battery issue when they disconnected the battery, but looks like something is wrong with it, so we need to work on that as well. So for me, this car is a bit like a barn find, because it's been off the road for so long. It's been serviced in PJ Nichols Limited in Chicksbury. And look at all the paperwork. Probably for some reason I can't show you everything exactly, because I don't want to see who was the previous owner. But you see how much paperwork with this car? And it's only done 36,000 miles. And it's so much paperwork that it is unbelievable. So I'm just going to open the bonnet. Good old trusty pencil. Look at how clean it is. Obviously it's cobwebs everywhere. I mean, when I say everywhere, all this is cobwebs. It's all cobwebs. So the engine bay, it looks lovely. I mean, obviously there's a bit of a aluminium corrosion on it, which is you expect, you know, for this age of the vehicle. But it's extremely clean. It's really nice. I'm just going to start her up just to see how good this engine sounds. There you go. That's a good old 16 valve Z-Tech engine. I think it sounds really nice, extremely nice actually. Well, you can hear it in the engine, it's literally brand new. So while the engine is running, I'm gonna take it for a quick spin just around the block in here, because I don't want to take it to any public road. The car is not MOT'd right now. It's just been dropped off in here, my mate's place. So just gonna go for a quick whiz around the yard just to show you how this car drives. Clutch feels like literally brand new. It's biting right down where it needs to be bite down. Oh, so smooth. So smooth. I know, I'm sorry I can't take it for a long drive, but second gear. Oh, it pulls lovely. Brakes works fine. Good, 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 good. So as you see, the car drives all right. Obviously we have to take it for a public road. We need to take it back to new retest after we fixed the problems with it. And if you want to find out what's the problems with the car, you need to come to the Old School Garage Build It channel, where we're going to reveal the problems with this car, and we're going to reveal how much I paid for it. So if you enjoyed this episode and you like this car and like to win it, please follow me up in here and the second channel as well, just to see what we're going to do with this vehicle, because it's going to be raffled off very, very soon, and hopefully you're going to be the winner. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching this episode. Hopefully I'll see you next time. Ta-da!